guys come with me to make my mango sorbet. All you need is a cup, a blender, and honey and some cold frozen mangoes. Yeah. You're gonna put your honey to the side, and you're gonna jump in how many mangoes you want. Yeah. No, you grab me on my back. Okay, next you're gonna put your honey. Make sure it's not spicy because it would, yeah, make it spicy. Why you need to use honey? To make it sweet. Just wait until it drains. Okay, now we're gonna put some honey. That's enough, I guess. Now we are gonna put the lid on top, and then we're gonna blend it. Make sure it's that it's really tight. We're gonna put it in the blender. Now that you have your blender, you're gonna put your thing in here, twist it, and you're gonna go to frozen if you have the settings. Now I'm gonna do it. I need water. I think I need some water. Now that I put some water in it, we're gonna try it again. I think we're gonna try smoothie or frozen. Yeah, frozen. Wait, no. Smoothie. Oh. It's not mixing. Okay, so it's really a mix. I think we need water. Water again. Water. Okay. I think that's good and the top. Stop. Don't forget to put your lid on. Make sure it's tight, and we need to wait for the honey to go down. Now that the honey is all down, we're gonna do smoothie. Okay, now we're gonna check on it.
You okay, buddy?
Okay, I'm gonna.
Is it making your eyes cry?
Okay.
Don't touch your eyes, don't touch your eyes. You're doing with the onion. Let's go wash your hands.
Okay.
Honey bunny.
It smells good. I think we need to add ice. I only have this much ice left.
Alright, so you're
Gonna pop it in?
You think?
A little more.
Want a wet paper towel? You need a wet paper towel?
It's getting into it though.
Yeah.
Don't forget to put the top back on. Tastes like the mangoes, but like a smoothie into it. I think this would be our last time blending it. I don't know. We need it.
Just leave it. It's all done now.
Okay. Okay. Frozen. The honey is going. Okay. Now that it's done, we're gonna check on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your fingers aren't on
More like a smoothie.
Is this for the bathroom?
Zoe.
That's good.
Face
Let's see if we
wash.
have any more ice. I just popped a little bit of ice in it, cause just like a tiny bit, cause we don't have any more. Add a little bit more honey. Perfect. Don't forget to put the top on. Then frozen. Okay, I think this is good. It's more like a smoothie than a sorbet, but still tastes good. Now I'm gonna pour some in the cup. Let's say this is a mango smoothie. Now that I have the cups, one for my brother and one for me, we're gonna pour it in to try it. Perfect. Now I'm gonna try it. Yummy. It's good. But it would be good to turn it into a popsicle.
It did. What's in the popsicle?
I think it needs more ice though. If you have more ice, then do it. Good. Thanks for making the mango smoothie with me, guys. Bye.